Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Grow with Arnam, and this is Arnam with Learning. And today we are doing decision making. Decision making structures requires that the programmer specifies one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program. These statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. General form of a typical decision making is: first, we take the input, then we put it inside the condition for checking. If the condition is true, the conditional code is implemented. If the condition is false, then we move out from the uh, if statement and end the process, or give the output and execute another lines of code. If statement. An if statement consists of a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. The syntax of this is: if inside there is Boolean expression, then inside the code to be implemented if the Boolean statement is true. For this, the same as the general form. Input, then we check the condition. If the condition is true, then we do the conditional code to be implemented. If it is false, then we exit the program. For example, in this code, we have taken integer a equals 10. Then we are checking if a is smaller than 20. If the condition is true, which is there, so we print the statement a is less than 20, and then we return the program. And the output is come out to be a is less than 20. If else statement. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement, which executes when the Boolean expression is false. For the syntax, if inside that we put the Boolean expression, and if the condition is true, then the statements inside if block is executed. If the if statement is false, then we execute the lines of code inside the else statement. We can see from the diagram, we take the input, then we check the condition. If the condition is true, then we execute the conditional code inside the if statement. If the condition is false, then we execute the code inside the else block, and then we exit the program and take the output. For example, in this condition, we are taking integer a equals 10. Then we are checking if a is smaller than 5 and print the line a is less than 5. If it was false, then the line a is greater than 5 would have been executed. And then we return the program, and output is a is greater than 5. Nested if. We can use one or more if, else, or else if statements inside the if or else statements. Thank you for your attention, and the notes will be provided in the PPT drive link given in the description box. Thank you.